Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rochelle Renee. This video, it's all about the black smoky eye. The only difference I did, I added a little black glitter, a little blue, just to pop the look a little bit more. So this is not your traditional black smoky eye. So I wanted to give you guys a little something extra because I'm extra. So if you want to see how I completed this look, just stay tuned. Please, 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 please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys can follow up on all my other looks that I do. And thank you so much for clicking my video. Stay tuned. Now first I'm going in my Jacklyn Hill palette and I'm starting off with that chocolatey fudge looking brown. I don't even know what it's called. But I'm starting that off as my transition and I'm patting it in my skin and then I'm going to buff out the edges. So as I showed you guys in my other video why I do this technique, I just feel like it gives me more pigmentation of the color and it just, I don't know, it's just my thing I like to do. Damn, I don't know. Now I didn't show what brown I went in, but of course, as you guys can tell, it's just a darker brown just to continue on with my transition color that I'm building up. Now going in with that darker brown, I'm going to a little bit below my crease line, I applied it just to blend upwards so it looks more seamless with the transition. And of course I'm doing that on the same eye, the same thing, patting it and then buffing up into the crease. Now next I'm applying the Wet n Wild black liquid eyeliner and that's going to be used as my black base because the thing is with black smoky eyes, it doesn't look as black if you just use the eyeshadow. So you always got to have a black base so you could apply it and then what you're going to do is you're going to smudge out the edges. So smudging out the edges, making it seem not so harsh. So you're just going to blend it all out. You blend your life away because it's going to be a little bit difficult if you let it dry for too long. So I would say as soon as you finish applying, blend that baby out. Now, of course, you guys probably are not used to this, but you always, after you put your black eyeliner, you have to put the powder, of course, which is going to be the eyeshadow powder. So you apply the black eyeshadow. The blackest eyeshadow I feel that I have is the one from the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. So I just apply that, pat that in, pat that bad boy in because I want it to be super black. I don't want it to kind of look like that ashy gray that sometimes the black smoky eyes can do. So after I apply that, I just literally just put on my finger some glitter and I just tapped it on my, I didn't use any glue or anything. I just wanted this was like a spur of the moment decision, but I wanted it to pop a little bit more, look a little, I don't know, more funky because you don't really see that on a black smoky eye. But I loved how it came out. I didn't use any glue. I literally just placed it with my finger on my lid. Now, of course, I'm going in with my Clinique moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It was my first time getting it. That's why it's like a small bottle, but baby, I'm gonna come back. Coming back bigger and stronger. Now, with my Professional Pore Primer, this is also a really good primer to use. I'm just putting it all over my face, then with my NARS and with my Maybelline foundation. The NARS is the Macao Medium Dark 4 and Maybelline Fit Me is the color Cappuccino 340. So I mix those two in because I kind of feel like it gives me the right color that I need, not so dark. Oh, and plus y'all, I went on a vacation and baby, I got so dark. So I'm like, oh my God, trying to deal with this tan, but this worked out perfectly for me. Now, of course, with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and my Too Faced Concealer, both of them, the combination is so great. Like, if you really want a pop-in concealer, I feel like with both of these colors together, it gives me the color I like. It's my personal preference. So I just go in with both, mix both of them in, and with my Real Techniques brush, wow, I couldn't say that. With my Real Techniques brush, I go in and I blend those babies out. To contour, I'm using my black Opal Stick Foundation, and this is in the color Suede Mocha. This, I love black Opal, like, I love it. I wish they had their own store in Miami, so I could just go and get everything black Opal. But they don't, so this will do for now. And I use this to contour, and I blend this out with my e.l.f. brush. I don't remember what kind of brush this is, but I love the brush. Now, this is my Airspun concoction. If you guys watch my previous videos, it's not just Airspun. I mixed it with like three other translucent powders, setting powders, Nye Topaz, and Airspun, and I believe it's Sacha Buttercup. It's all mixed in one, and it just gives me the type of color that I want on my face. So this is what I do. This is just not Airspun. Now for underneath my contour, I apply the black Opal loose powder in the color medium, number 3, and it just gives me that color that I want where it's not too light so it can blend out easier. And I just apply it all underneath, and then after that, on top of my contour, I go in with the Anastasia powder Mahoghany, and I just smooth everything out, just setting my contour. Going in with my Masquerade mini palette by Juvia, of course. I go in with this beautiful color called Dahlia. That blue is just so popping and just so pigmented. So I just couldn't refuse to put this underneath my waterline. And I applied it like so. And I apply it until I get the color that I really, really like the pigmentation that I like. And then with the clean brush, I just buff it out. Over here, it's nothing but a little bit of extra nose contour because I wanted my nose to look super snatched with this black smoky eye. So that's all I'm doing, snatching up my nose. Now I go in with my Lancome powder, which is my skin complexion. This is not anything lighter, but I go in just to buff out that contour buff out the powder that was underneath the contour. I put it all over my face. Then I apply my LA Girl blush collection and just hit it up with a little bit of blush. Now with the Glow Kit Anastasia from Anastasia, I go in with the color Bronze, and of course I just highlight it up, baby. Now with the highlighter Summer, I go right underneath my eyebrows just to make my eyes pop, as if it's not popping enough. But just to finish off my eyes, I like to add the Summer color and just buff it out. Now with the NYX Shimmer, oh my God, y'all, if y'all don't have this, y'all need to get it. It's the NYX Shimmer pigmentation, and it just, bro, like y'all seeing this? It is so pigmented, and it was just such a beautiful gold color that I really wanted. Usually I go lighter, like a white in my inner corner eyes, but I wanted to do the gold today because that's something different. But it came out so nice. I go in with the NYX Liquid Suede to line up my little small lips, and then I apply the e.l.f. lipstick. Well, it's not lipstick, it's lip gloss, and I'm finished with my look.